Actually, my first transaction, first Central Bank Liberia, the first transaction. Even a Central Bank is not giving me a cost who more than the millionaire street. Because one thing about Liberia, every street will money changer. Every corner of Liberia will money changer. So even though wine lose itself, nearly normal biscuit, in your $10, say I change yellow or a change yeah. So if I may pay Basalo exchanging, it change ego nobody. Very easy. So the liberty, both their local currency, you know, the US dollar, both American currency, it exchange the two money, the very easy. I mean, like you, but